that he hasn't shown up, and if he didn't, you know, I'd call John and then just send the bill in the same way with the, because that soffit was not painted in there. There's a dead fly hanging on it.
Oh, nice.
The cupboards were, the toilet wasn't clean. That was disgusting.
Oh, I know, that was gross.
The sink wasn't cleaned. Fireplace wasn't clean. Carpet wasn't clean. I just tell them, you get it done or you owe me a month's rent.
Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy.
I'm going to get in the shower.
Oh, you haven't showered yet?
I
Ow!
just got home.
Oh, okay.
And I had to let her out.
Yeah. Where's your monkey? Where's your monkey, huh? Where's your monkey?
Then there was a message from